Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to teach you some ways to ask for advice and some ways to give advice. Please enjoy. Asking for advice. What should I do? This is a basic question used to ask somebody for advice. Please give me some advice. This is another way to ask somebody for advice. Note that advice is not a countable noun. You cannot count advice. So you should say, some advice. Please give me some advice. And not, please give me an advice. So please give me some advice. Please give me an advice, okay? So similarly, you can say advice, but not advices. Giving advice. You should. This is the easiest way to give advice, but it is also the weakest way to give advice. You should is usually used to give your personal opinion. It means the other person can choose to listen to you or not listen to you. You ought to. You ought to is the next way to give advice. In this case, the advice is still weak, but it means something bad might happen if the person does not listen to your advice. Ought to is stronger than you should. It is also more formal than you should. You need to. You have to. You need to and you have to are the strongest ways to give advice. They are also used to tell someone what to do. When you use you need to and you have to, this means if the other person does not listen to your advice, something bad will happen. Now, let's watch some examples. Jose, you look like you're upset about something. What's wrong?
I had a fight with my girlfriend last night.
Again?
Yeah, I really like her, but we fight so much. What should I do?
You have to break up with her. Fighting all the time isn't good.
Jose, I am taking the Japanese language test in July. You are good at studying. Please give me some advice.
Well, you ought to study kanji for at least 1 hour every day.
Okay, anything else?
You should also improve your listening skills by watching Japanese TV or movies.
I see. Thanks for the advice.
Oh my God! Rose, what happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, I stood up too quickly and fell over, but I'm okay now, so I'm gonna keep working.
No, you shouldn't work right now. You need to go see the nurse. I hope that you enjoyed today's video about asking for advice and giving advice. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you next time.